How to put text above moving person in Davinci Resolve. To begin, I added a video to my timeline and I want to put a text above this person's head. Go to the Effects panel and click on Titles. Drag and drop a text in timeline. Move the text to where your subject starts to come in the frame. Now select the text and in the inspector, enter a text and change its style to your liking. Now click on the drop-down at the bottom of Viewer and select Transform. Drag the text above the person head, and in the Settings tab click on diamond button next to Transform. Move the playhead to where the subject is going out of the frame. Then drag the text above its head. Move the playhead to where the person is in the middle and adjust the text position. Now we have it, but you can add more keyframes by changing the playhead position and adjusting the position of the text. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.